Harjash Khanuja, along with my teammate Yashraj, we are here on behalf of Valbharati Public School to explain you all how we can reuse the water. We have made a 3D model, so let's proceed towards our model. When we will talk about sustainability, it comes to our mind that in SDGs it is mentioned that clean and safe water for all is mandatory. We are wasting water on a large scale. So what we have done is a sustainable house model where we have cope up with two problems.
The first one that I mentioned earlier about water and its wastage. Secondly, the green energy. So this model is known as all-time sustainable house model. So during days when sun is shining, the solar panels will develop a clean and green energy, and in the days when it is cloudy and about to rain, our water harvesting model will save the water and pass it in the separate tank to purify and make it clean, safe and potable water. These small changes can not only remove the clean energy issues but also can generate abundance of electricity. Also will save a lot of water and thus it can solve the issues in sustainable development goals by UN with more than 75% in the respective goal domain.
Many cities in India like Mumbai, Jaipur, Batna, Lucknow, Nagpur and Chennai are facing actual water shortage. According to the report, 6 million people are facing extreme of high water stress in India. According to the report of WWF, by 2050, at least 30 cities in India will face a grave of water risk.
Water crisis management. There is start of this all to solve water problem in Africa, having lot of water and hunger issues. Relieving hunger in Africa has to begin with access to clean water. It may seem simple, but we forget that without access to a reliable source of water, food is hard to grow and even more difficult to preserve and prepare. It takes huge amount of water to grow food. Just think globally, we use 70% of our water sources for agriculture and irrigation, and only 10% on domestic uses. Water is fundamental to relieving hunger in the developing world. 84% of people who don't have access to improved water also lived in rural areas where they live principally through subsistence agriculture. Sometimes areas that experience a lack of water suffer because of poor water management, but more often it is a relatively simple economic issue that can be addressed. This is the difference between physical and economic scarcity.